Butterfly Cottage. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to do a substitute for malt extract. We've tried it before, it worked, we're going to do it again. So we've got a big pan, wide base, and we're going to evaporate beer. Let me just put the last in here. This is a very long process. Not the pouring in of the beer, but the reducing. We're making the malt extract so that we can make our malt loaf. We have used reduced mulberry jam in the past, but this is definitely the way forward. Okay, so that's the beer in. So we have worked out that we need 610 grams of sugar for this recipe. So in it goes. We're going to reduce this down on our log burner because it's -12 at the moment, so the log burner is well and truly on. Before we delve into this though, I need to explain to you how malt extract is actually made. It's a wort for making beer that has been evaporated to remove the water. In the wort are maltose sugars that in the beer process are fermented to make the alcohol. So here comes our cheat. We are reducing shop bought 100% malt beer, but because the maltose sugars have been fermented in our shop bought beer, we are replacing it with the table sugar. If you want to try this recipe and you want to work out how much sugar you need to put back into the beer, then please refer to the calculations in the descriptions in the video. I'm going to take this over to the stove now and bring it up to a simmer, and we're going to reduce it and stir it occasionally, and we'll see how long it takes. Join me at the end. After 2.5 hours, it's gone down about an inch, going well. So it's been on 4 hours now, it's gone down a good couple of inches, it's reducing well. Just going to go to bed now, so we're going to keep the fire on all night because it's so cold, but we're just going to keep it on trickle, and if we happen to come up during the night, we'll keep an eye on it. See you in the morning. Yeah, it's morning. The fire did go out overnight, so we've relit it. It's gone down quite a lot. It's -11 now. Another couple of hours, maybe that might be ready. It's nearly ready. Maybe another hour, 2 hours, it should be done. You can see from the top line how far it's gone, and from the darker line, that's just from this morning. It's doing well. It smells like a brewery in here. Oh, it's nearly there. Look, when it bubbles like this, you are almost there. If you've got a sugar thermometer, it should be reading 116 by the time it's ready. As you can see, we're not quite there. Almost. As soon as it reaches 116, you need to get it off the heat immediately and get it into your jars. There we go. Seven litres of beer, 610 grams of sugar, 1.5 jars. Graham has tasted it already and he said it tastes bloody lovely. And there we have it, around 900 grams of our substitute malt extract. So now we've got our 900 gram of malt substitute. I am now able to go to my Butterfly Cottage malt loaf recipe, which you will find the link up here, and I can now make 5 times the recipe using this amount. Because the amount makes 2 loaf tins, you will end up with 10 loaves. Bonus. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and ring that bell. Ding-a-ling-a-ling. See you next time.